Hello. Jimmy.
I thought maybe you were thinking.
All right, thanks for coming back to Man Kitchen Recipes. If this is your first time, glad you're here. This is our 2023 fishing trip up at Lake Powell. Just show you some quick clips. Houseboats, ducks, our fishing. Man, we had a great time. Here's the houseboats again when you travel through some of the marinas. Look at those. Some of these are even 3 to 4 stories. $7.18 a gallon, $7.33 a gallon, and for premium, $7.48 a gallon on the water there. And of course, me with my finger in the picture. And there's Glen Canyon Dam. Some more pictures, and we actually saw this huge snake going across the road. And here we are.
7, 8, 9.
First 15. Yep, we caught 59 total. Here's what we brought home filleted up. And I've got a little butter spray on here. I'm putting some of my world famous salt, pepper, garlic, spicy salt, pepper, garlic. And you know what, I just put a little bit on the fish. Since I am making a fish taco egg roll, I want the spicy SPG. So just flip them over. I'm going to spray them with some butter spray. And put some more rub on this side. And yeah, I mean, I'm making fish tacos, but I'm taking these fish tacos and I'm wrapping them in an egg wrap. Okay, so out at the Blackstone, I want to add my tray of oil to start getting it heated up so that we can deep fry the egg rolls. I'm going to lay down a few pats of butter. I like to have my fish fried in butter. And just lay the fish right on top. Now this striped bass, it is not a fishy tasting fish. It's a nice flaky white fish. And you know, hey, they don't take very long to cook, maybe 5-6 minutes. Put some more butter down before I flip them. Okay. Same thing with the other one. Whoops. Okay, just get that one over the butter and let it fry up again. There you go, look at that. I've got this on about a medium heat. I don't want to get them burnt, but you know, gotta get them done. So I'm going to flip them one more time before we take them off of here. And man, these look so good. Oh, yeah, see, there you go. Before you know it, they're done. All right, so what I'm going to do to make these egg rolls is I'm going to take a couple of eggs. I'm going to get them mixed up, beat them up. Okay, so we're going to take our fish that we fried up. I'm going to put them in a bowl. I'm just going to use a fork. I want to break them up into smaller pieces. And then that way, when we put them in the egg roll, they'll fit real nice, actually. All right, I'm going to add some cabbage to this fish. So it's a fish taco, just like you'd make a fish taco. You'd put your fish and some cabbage. I'm going to add some more SPG, some spicy SPG. Take our egg rolls. Now I'm going to dip the egg rolls in the egg that I whipped up. Add the mixture. Roll it up, just like a burrito. Okay, once again, add the egg roll to the egg that I had mixed up. And this just helps keep them nice and crispy. Okay, then you're gonna put the filling in again, wrap it up, and there you go. Our oil is 325 at the moment. We're testing it with one. This one came out really nice and crispy. Look at that. You wanna have your oil 325, 350. 350 is better. And then we're gonna just finish these up. Okay. Look at these. Nice and golden brown. Okay, the last one. There you go. Check these out. Fish taco egg rolls. All right, there you go. Fish taco egg rolls. Hope they look good. We're going to do a taste test here, but first, this was filmed on the day, if you've probably already heard, a mass shooting here in Farmington, New Mexico. It actually happened about a mile, just 1.2 miles from my house. Driving, so closer than that by these news helicopters flying around. So if you heard any helicopters flying around while I was shooting this video, that's what it was. 3 dead plus the shooter, so 4 total. 2 police in the hospital. This world's gone mad. All right, so let's do a taste test. There we go. My fish taco egg roll, and I'm just using some chipotle ranch dressing for my dipping. I mean, why not, right? Super easy. There we go. Man, nothing like going fishing, catching some striped bass, filleting them up, bringing them home, cleaning them up really well. I pulled most of the bones, every bone that I could find out of them. And hey, making some egg roll fish tacos out of them. These are really good. All right, I'd also like to thank everyone that messaged me after they heard about that shooting. I appreciate you checking in on me. I don't really work in town. I work out of town, but I did get back, and the news helicopters were still flying around. So I got back, made some fish tacos. We're gonna enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. And of course, I hope you have a great day.